New standards of practice for all massage therapists across Ontario are rolling out and will take effect on January 1st, 2022. But what are they? Standards of practice set the minimum requirements and expectations for safe and effective care from massage therapists. As time evolves, so does the practice of massage therapy. That's why the College of Massage Therapists of Ontario is modernizing the standards of practice. We did not make these changes alone. Feedback from massage therapists and the public played a key role in shaping them. The new standards of practice are moving from a checklist format to an outcomes-based approach. Massage therapists will now have more freedom to use their professional judgment to achieve an outcome while still meeting all minimum requirements. So before the new standards of practice are implemented on January 1st, 2022, be sure to review them. And RMTs begin considering any practice changes. For questions or more information, visit cmto.com.